देर हो गई। मुझे एक इवेंट में जाना है जहाँ पर मुझे चीफ गेस्ट बोल के बुलाएं। द टाइम वॉज 1 PM और अब हो रहा है टाइम 1 PM बिकॉज आई वॉज आउट, आई हैड गॉन टू दैट अदर प्लेस। देर हो गई तो अब जाना है भाई, जल्दी जाना है। तो मैं आया गाड़ी भगा के, बिकॉज आई वॉज 15 मिनट्स लेट। 1 बजे का टाइम बोले थे तो मैं 1:15 हो गए मेरे को, तो मैं वॉज वेरी गिल्टी। बट द पर्सन हु हैज इन्वाइटेड मी इज नॉट हियर एंड इट्स 1:30 नाउ एंड दिस इज हैदराबाद प्रोफेशनल सॉलिडारिटी फोरम। PSF बोल के ग्रुप है हैदराबाद में प्रोफेशनल्स का। सो दे हैव ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर दिस चिल्ड्रंस फ्ली मार्केट। सो बेसिकली दे हैव ट्रेन्ड children how to run businesses and how to be entrepreneurs. So after the course completion, they have organized for this flea market. Excellent. So the only piece of advice I want to give you guys, because आप लोग business कर रहे हैं, entrepreneurs हैं आप लोग, don't be shy to make a sale, don't be scared of making mistakes. Just have fun, enjoy yourself. I am very excited to talk to the children here today. Let's see. क्या बेच रहे हैं आप?
Brownies.
How much are you selling the brownies for?
I have assorted brownies, 200 rupees.
Okay, so I'm going to get this box for myself. So here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
It is something like I'm organizing the game stall
Okay.
where the children or the
Only
everywhere-
children I can't play? Okay, so now big question, do you have change?
Not that much.
The first principle of business is to always carry change. I get this for trying. Thank you, ma'am. What are you selling here?
Jewelry.
हाँ, कितने बेच रहे हैं?
Sustainable.
सस्ते बेच रहे हैं, वेरी गुड। आप तीनों मिलके सो ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट करें। बिजनेस कॉल्ड नील इट। तो अभी अगर आपके पास अगर कोई आ रहा नहीं या अगर आपके पास कोई नेल पॉलिश खरीद रहा नहीं, सो नो व्हाट यू शुड डू, सी मार्केटिंग इज की। अगर आप यहाँ पर एक बैनर लगा देंगे सेइंग के नेल आर्ट फॉर फ्री, what will happen is suddenly a lot of people will line up, a lot of women are here, so they line up to do nail art because उनको फ्री में मिल रहा। जब अपना फ्री में काम कराते, that time is when you push your product. What are you selling at the favorite spot?
Gift and surprise.
Oh nice. तो आपको बड़े होकर बिजनेसमैन बनना है?
Yeah.
क्या एज है आपकी अभी?
9 years.
आपके ऑलरेडी पूरे झाड़ बिक गए?
Almost.
Almost. See, when you do green initiative, this is what happens. You have grown this yourself.
Yes.
How old are you?
12.
So tell me, तो आप ये कहाँ पर उगाए आप प्लांट्स ये पूरे?
घर पे दादी के साथ.
Wow, so that Dadi taught you all of this. He's done all of this by himself with the help of his grandmother, and he sold most of these plants already. So that is awesome, and he has some real true love for green. आप दोनों मिलके चला रहे business?
Yes.
Both of your brothers?
Yes.
Les Savon. So what is Les Savon?
Le Savon is name of soap in French language.
Okay.
We have 8 different kind of soap. It's homemade.
It's homemade.
Homemade.
You guys
and
made it at home?
Yes.
Your own house?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, that's impressive. So who helped you make it?
Mother, father.
So why did you get into the soap business? Why do you want to do the soap business?
Because soap business helps others. It's easy.
It's easy?
to make.
Oh, see, we didn't know. We should never tell that very much. Hello, sir. I like soap because I like scents.
Yeah.
And I'm going to just put these soaps inside. Thank you.
Thank you.
All the best. So this is by far one of the most interesting stalls I've been to. और आप यहाँ देखिए, उम्मे सलमा जो है, look at she's made this entire thing from newspapers, and this only for 80 rupees. ये पेंटिंग्स देख रहे हैं लोग, पेंटिंग कितने के? 130 रुपीज पेंटिंग, 80 रुपीज का बाईसाइकिल, और ये आप देखिए रिसाइकल बॉटल से जबरदस्त हैज मेड अमेजिंग आर्ट हियर। DIY हब
It's all DIY kits
Okay.
with which we give you instructions.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
this is the tie and dye, and you will give you the material, and we will give you the instructions.
Okay.
You can do it yourself.
Then where did you get this idea from?
My mother used to do another business before,
Okay.
so I got the idea from her.
चॉकलेट, आप लोग चॉकलेट बेच रहे हैं? आप लोग का स्टॉल का है?
हम लोग को वहाँ है
वहाँ पर स्टॉल है और आप लोग यहाँ मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं? These kids took my money because they are out here marketing and not sitting at the stall. Lesson 101. Go to the customer. Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
So halfway through, हुआ यूँ कि मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी चले गई. So now I am on someone else's phone. Someone very kindly lent the phone to me. तो मैं बाकी शूटिंग ये फ़ोन पे करने वाला हूँ.
My right hand side and on the corner we have nail art. So they have released an offer that is you can get a free nail art done right now.
वाह, बच्चे फुल ऑन बच्चे फुल ऑन मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट कर दिए, ऑफर देना शुरू कर दिए. फुल मार्केटिंग चल रही है यहाँ पर इस वक्त. मज़ा आ रहा है बड़ा.
बिजनेस तो अभी फर्स्ट टाइम कर रही हूँ मैं. पहले मैं YouTube पे चलाती थी.
यूट्यूब पे क्या करते थे?
मेरा एक चैनल था, वो पेंटिंग का था पूरा.
वाह, ओके.
Yes.
What was the channel called?
A&A Kids channel.
A&A Kids Craft. Please check it out. I've seen your channel. She does art. Correct?
Yes.
Very good. बहुत ही जबरदस्त चीज़ें दिख रही हैं.
मैकेनिज्म है पेट के साथ फॉलो करता है. बैटरी से कनेक्ट करने के बाद में इसका मैकेनिज्म पेट के ऑब्जेक्ट को डिटेक्ट करके फॉलो करता है.
क्या बात कर रहे? Did you build this?
सर के साथ बना है.
अभी कौन सी क्लास में बोले आप? तो क्या मैकेनिज्म है इसमें?
इसमें ये सेंसर्स रहते हैं, अल्ट्रावायलेट सेंसर्स.
ओके. कितने लोग हैं इसमें?
1 2 3 4.
3-4 भी हैं यहाँ पे. You guys all in 10. And you guys are doing a fabulous job. You guys have just started. Aim for IIT.
यस सर.
Aim for the top engineering colleges in India. उसके लिए अपने में ना 11-12 2 साल मेहनत करना पड़ता है. सिर्फ 2 साल. एक बार IIT में चले जाओ, उसके बाद लाइफ सेट. 11-12 थोड़ी मेहनत कर लो और अपना मत करो. दोस्तों से इम्पोर्टेंट रहते हैं, वो अपना ग्रेजुएशन एंजॉय कर सकते हैं. 11-12 दे दो. वाह, so both of your partners, business partners.
Yes.
आप बनाए?
मम्मा बस मेरे वर्क दे दे.
Mashallah, it's very good. Maybe because I want to tell them, even mama makes it okay. Because they're businessmen, they have to sell it. They have to make it.
10 rupees for 5 balls. We throw one of them and you get these. You get 2 and you get 1 of these 3. If you get all 3 and 5 balls, you get this. You get a jumbo chocolate.
Alright, so all 3 of your business partners.
Yeah.
Okay, I am going to give this a shot.
That's all it comes.
One last try.
So this is your third chance.
Third chance.
It depends on skill, and I don't think so. The guy holding the camera has any. So.
Can you believe that? Fine. One more. One more.
Come on. It's not good for the exam. Come on.
हो जाए.
For 5 chances, you will need to give 10 rupees.
Okay.
So, if you finish 5 times the buzz, if it buzzes 5 times, if it buzzes and you still want to continue, you will need to pay 10 rupees.
Got it. Got it.
But we don't know how much your hand. So you might even pay 100 or 50 or.
So the businessman is helping me. Last chance, okay. Did you hear that? Oh. Wow, you're very helpful. You're very. He wants me to win. He has organized all of this. Good job, sir.
I have not organized it. My team has organized it. It's an effort of a team, and alhamdulillah, everybody has given their best, and that is the reason you see this result here. The objective behind this is purely parenting.
we are just trying to give the best of the best from the parents, wherein they can teach different aspects of life to their children. So this is one of the aspects, business and entrepreneurship. Our objective is to have a classroom session, maybe inshallah in the future while we are organizing this, so that they learn it in a better way.
Ahmad Bhai, President PSF.
I have a partner, she just went to see something.
Also, you want to come back
Uh,
after she comes?
sure.
किसका है ये?
Yeah.
दो लोग हैं? दोनों पार्टनर्स हैं?
Oh.
A lot of thought has gone behind this basically. They have got exam pads क्योंकि एग्जाम्स है ना? और ये लोग ये भी खरीदे क्योंकि गिफ्टिंग सीजन है तो गिफ्ट डालने के लिए, करेक्ट? और आप लोग ये क्यों खरीदे? स्कूल रहे तो उसके लिए, तो वो लोग तो बेसिकली ये लोग they bought it from wholesale, they're selling in retail, but he's used his brains, very smart kid, and he's bought things that are इस वक्त सीजन में जिसका काम है. So all of this. So you can see the kind of artwork that's been done here. So this is the innovative kind. This is Jafar, correct? This is, oh, you are Jafar. So you are his business partner?
Yes.
Oh my
And
God.
he is also my brother.
You have a trade license also.
For 4 things you need license. Car, fishing, hunting from a gun, and for retail opening a shop.
This guy has all the business knowledge. What class are you in?
I am in 3rd class.
3rd grade. This guy is going to be one of the biggest businessmen of our time.
I didn't business because I had to learn about the shopkeeper.
And did you learn?
Yes.
मजा आ रहा businessman में?
Yes.
कौन सी class में आप?
4th.
You are coming on the wrong time.
No, I'm from the
Wrong
right time.
time.
You are in the wrong time.
You are coming on she comes.
Okay, so what are you guys doing?
We are selling soaps and candles.
Actually, her son. I'm a helper.
You want 305? Okay, 300.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hi.
So which one is your favorite?
Mine, this one.
This is your favorite. You are so smart businesswoman. The most expensive item is your favorite item. ये बच्चे लूट रहे हैं हमें.
Hello.
Why is it Aussie Bites?
Because we're from Australia and we wanted to make something that is popular in Australia.
So this is
Yeah.
popular in Australia?
Yes, it is.
Okay, then how was business so far?
It was very fun and it went very good. और मेरे business partner मेरे बड़े भाई हैं.
Hello बड़े भाई. How old are you?
I'm 15.
And you are?
11.
Okay, तो आप दोनों में से decision making कौन करते हैं?
हम दोनों ही एक्चुअली बांट लेते काम. कस्टमर जा रहे तो दोनों करते या फिर मैं करते तो भाई करते. मैं डील फिक्स करते भाई रेडी करते.
अरे जबरदस्त, ये पार्टनरशिप बेहतरीन है. You know, आप भी पार्टनर हैं. Okay, thank you so much for business. You guys are doing great. आप लोग ऑलरेडी 2 बार बेच दिए मेरे को. You guys are good marketing people. तो ये किसका बिजनेस है? Whose business is this? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
All 4 of you.
Yes.
4 business partners.
Yes. 6.
Quick. What about you?
And second.
Second,
5th.
5th, 5th. Twins? You got twins? Okay, so I heard that you were not able to sell something. What were you not able to sell? What are those?
These are caramel toffees. We put offer on it to make it
To
sell.
make it sell, right? So what offer did you put?
We put buy one get one free offer. We put 20% discount.
Okay.
We put buy two get one free offer too.
हो गया भाई, हो गया. बहुत लुटे गए. बच्चों को इनकरेज करने के चक्कर में अंदर हो गया, पूरा बैग पूरा भर गया. तो अब मैं निकलूँगा घर. मेरा फ़ोन बंद हो गया. तो आई वॉज सीइंग समवन एल्सेस फ़ोन. तो उनको बोलना पड़ेगा हाई रिक्वेस्ट फाइल भेजो.